Welcome to all of you in Sankalpa Education Pratham classes. I am Sachin Patel, delivered lecture series on derivative. Right now we are going with some implicit function and implicit function derivatives. Here we have to use the proof related to that one. If log 10 inside the bracket log to the base 10 x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to 2, then we have to show that dy by dx is equal to minus 19x square divided by 101 y square is here. Then how to solve that one? First of all, we have to go in with a consideration of your given is there. That means we have log to the base 10 inside the bracket x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is here, and it is equal to 2. Then right now we have to use the formula related to log to the base a b. At that time we can write it as log of b divided by log of a. By using this formula, you can find out the consideration of this one like that one. That means we will get the log of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube divided by log of 10. That means here log of b divided by log of a. That means log of this one divided by log of 10 is here, and it is equal to 2 is there. Then this log of 10 is divided here, then it is a multiplied. We will get the consideration of log of x cube minus y cube divided by x raised to 3 plus y raised to 3 is equal to 2 into log 10. 2 into log 10. Then 2 is here, that means it is in index of that one. Then you will get the consideration of log to the base log of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to log of 10 raised to 2. That means it is a log of 100 is here. Log of 100, 10 raised to 2, that means 100 is here. Then we can cancel out the log on both sides. You will get the consideration of x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube is equal to 100. Then this is divided here, this quantity is divided here, then it is a multiplied here. You will get the consideration of, you have to take it here, x cube minus y cube is equal to 100 into x cube plus y cube is here. Then multiply this 100 inside, you will get the consideration of x cube minus y cube is equal to 100 into x cube, that means you will get the 100 x cube plus 100 y cube is here. Then you can transfer this y raised to 3 here and this 100 x cube here. You will get the consideration of that means first of all we have to write the terms of y. That means you will get the 100 y cube plus y raised to 3. That means this minus y cube is transferred here. Then you will get the 100 y cube plus 3 plus y cube, and this 100 x cube is transferred to this side. You will get the consideration of x cube minus 100 x cube. X cube minus 100 x cube. At that time you will get the consideration is here 101 y cube is equal to 101 y cube is equal to minus 99 x cube is here. Now we will take the derivative on both sides. This simplification is completed here, and taking derivative with respect to x, you will get the consideration of this one is nothing but 101 is a constant here, and y cube having the derivative 3 into y square, 3 into y square into again derivative of y is a dy by dx, and minus 99 into 3 into x square is here. 3 into x square is here. Then we can transfer this 101 into 3 into y square from this side to this side. You will get the consideration of dy by dx is equal to minus 99 into 3x square whole divided by 101 into 3y square. 3 and 3 cancel to each other. At that time you will get the minus 99x square divided by 101 y square is here, and this is your dy by dx, and this is your proof. This is the proof. This is the proof of that one. That means you will get the consideration of this one by using that method related to that one. You will get the, we transfer this function in the form of this one and taking the derivative with respect to x, you will get the final result. That means which is can be show inside that example. Similarly, you can find out the derivative of this and this function here. E raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y. Then show that dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to y minus x is here. That means first of all we have to take the e raised to x we have, then we have to take the proof is here, and by using the consideration of, we have e raised to x plus e raised to y is equal to e raised to x plus y is here. Now we can find out the derivative with respect to x of that one, taking derivative with respect to x is here. Then you will get the consideration of e raised to x having the derivative. First of all, we have to write the complete consideration. That means d dx of e raised to x is here, plus d dx of e raised to y is here, and is equal to d dx of e raised to x plus y is here. X plus y is here. Then we have to find out the derivative with respect to x. E raised to x having the derivative e raised to x plus e raised to y having the derivative e raised to y first, and derivative of y is nothing but a dy by dx is here, and is equal to e raised to x plus y. Now derivative of e raised to x plus y is nothing but first of all e raised to x plus y is taken, and then derivative of x plus y is here. X plus y is here, and this derivative is nothing but e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y into derivative of this one is nothing but x having the derivative 1 and y having the derivative dy by dx is here. Y having the derivative dy by dx is here. Now e raised to x plus y is multiply inside the bracket. You will get the consideration of e raised to x plus e raised to y into dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y into plus e raised to x plus y into dy by dx, e raised to x plus y into dy by dx is here. Now collect the dy by dx terms on the left hand side and transfer the normal term, that means e raised to x, on the right hand side. You will get the consideration of that one is nothing but e raised to y into dy by dx minus, because this term is a plus here, then it is taken as a minus is here, e raised to x plus y into dy by dx is equal to, this term is put as it is e raised to x plus y, and this term is a plus here, then it is taken minus here, e raised to x is here. Now dy by dx is taken common, dy by dx is taken outside from that one, and then e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y is equal to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x is here. Now we have to going with the consideration of dy by dx is taken common, then this term is multiplied here, is transferred to that side, then you will get the dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y minus e raised to x divided by e raised to y minus e raised to x plus y is here. Now we know that the accord from our consideration, e raised to x plus y is nothing but e raised to x plus e raised to y. That means putting, we have to use the putting here for e raised to x plus y is nothing but e raised to x plus e raised to y, and then you will get the consideration of dy by dx is equal to e raised to x plus y. E raised to x plus y is converted as e raised to x plus y is nothing but e raised to x plus e raised to y, e raised to x plus e raised to y minus this e raised to x, divide by minus this e raised to x, divide by e raised to y as it is, here e raised to x is here, e raised to y as it is, minus e raised to x plus y. E raised to x plus y is nothing but e raised to x plus y is putted here. You will get the e raised to x plus e raised to y. Then taking the minus sign inside the bracket, you will get the e raised to x plus e raised to y minus e raised to x whole divided by e raised to y minus e raised to x minus e raised to y. Then e raised to x is cancelled to e raised to x, and e raised to y is cancelled to e raised to y. Here you will get the e raised to y divided by minus e raised to x is here. That means dy by dx is equal to this one. This minus is taken in a numerator, and you will get the consideration minus e raised to y divided by e raised to x. Again, this e raised to x is in denominator, taking inside the numerator. At that time, e raised to x is taken as a e raised to minus x. That means minus e raised to y into e raised to minus x is here. Now, base of these two are same, then addition or subtraction of the indices is taken, and therefore you will get the dy by dx is equal to minus e raised to y minus x is here, and this is your final result related to that one, or this is the proof of that given equation. These two examples related to, one is how to calculate the particular result, and first of all we have to think about the what are the consideration we want to find out. Our complete concentration is going on that one which is we want to show that, and according to that one you have to play with or operate on that particular consideration. Here you can take the directly derivative of log of 10 to the log to the base 10 x cube minus y cube divided by x cube plus y cube. But when we see that result, or we want to show that here 101 y cube, that means here we have to going with a 100 is there. For this purpose, first of all we have to get the consideration of log of a, log of b to the base a is nothing but a log of b divided by log of a, and according to that one it is converted into the 100 is here, and if 100 is here then you will get the very nearer case of that one, that means 101 is there. And here one our consideration or one operation is we have to complete the derivatives here, but we want to show that minus e raised to y minus x is here. That means you are closer to our result, but it is not a perfect one. But we have to think about the derivative terms. E raised to x plus y is can be replaced by using e raised to x plus y, e raised to x plus e raised to y is here, and by using that one you can get the final result is there. That means when we have to find out the when we have to prove the result, that means you want to find or show that any result by using the derivative. First of all, we normally find out the derivative of your given consideration or whatever given inside the function is there, and by taking the derivative we can think about the final result, and according to that one we can operate on our final result, and you can change your final result in the your required derivative or your required proof is there. And then here lot of examples can be solved by me or solved by anyone. It is a no matter to how to calculate the or how to prove the particular result. It is a matter you when we think about the final result, when we get the derivative as normal as possible related to your derivative function, then by using particular operations at your final result, you will get the final touch related to your show that or your proof of your given example. If you like that video, please subscribe my channel and press on bell icon to get the next notification related to derivatives series, and thank you.